Welcome students. Today's our topic is internet connectivity and under this the DSL. DSL is an acronym of digital subscriber lines. It is the form of broadband connection and just provide the connection over the ordinary telephone lines. The different features of DSL is it is a family of technologies under the general name of XDSL. Various X like ADSL, HDSL, RADSLs, and so on. So originally it was the part of the integrated service digital network, that is the ISDN, and it was called the IDSL. Now DSL technology is used in the local loop of the telephone network, and that is the part of the telephone network that connect the customer premises with the end office of the telephone company. Some DSL services provides the more than the standard bandwidth of the telephone lines, and these are called the broadband services. DSL uses the higher frequency bands for the transmission of data in the range of 25 kilohertz to 1.5 megahertz, and the voice transmission over the less than 4 kilohertz. So data transmission over simultaneously occurs simultaneously with the voice transmission. DSL, and that filters are used on the customer premises with the non-DSL connections. So DSL uses the analog sinusoidal carriers waves for data transmission, and the waves are modulated and demodulated at the customer premises with DSL modems. So the telephone companies use a digital subscriber line access multiplexer DSLAM at its end office. So that is to be connected to high speed backbone network. Now there are various versions of DSL techniques that available today, that is the asymmetric DSL, symmetric DSL, high bitrate DSL, rate adaptive DSL, very high bitrate DSL, and this ISDN DSL. This is the schematic diagram for DSL connections. This the ISP provider the internet. There is a different, you can say, diagram is showing how we connect the internet using the DSL technologies. Okay, so this is the central office of and this is the network providers. Okay, and this the outside the box is available, that is called MPOP. Okay, and this is inside that it is to be connected with the DSL modem when there is an telephone lines. These are the telephone cables which is to be connected. Okay, and from the modems there is connections with the Ethernet. So this is the diagram for that one. Now the thank you to all of you